Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at 2016 Mazda 6 GS. Under the hood we have a 2.5 liter L4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in dark blue. I really do love the color. It looks awesome. You got that Mazda logo up front here with the black grille. You do also have projector style headlamps right there. They look great. They're very bright as well. And coming around the side here we do have 16-inch rims with our tires. They are Yokohama brand. Still lots of tread left on them, and those rims look very nice as well. Now we do have our mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back we got our spoiler hanging out there, giving it a very sporty look. And we do have our Mazda logo and the Mazda 6 as well as the Sky technology badging there. Now you can just press that button there, and in here you got a ton of room. Lots and lots. It's very soft as well, so you won't be getting anything scratched up if you're back here. You got some additional storage right on the side here as well as on the other side, and you can lift this up and you got your spare tire just under there if you do ever need it. Okay, we got two separate sets of keys here. So we do have this guy, which is the Mazda key. So we got unlock, we got lock, we also have the hold to open up the back, and then you got the same on this side, but you do have this button here, which if you hold for about 2.5 seconds, it will activate your remote start, which is especially nice in the winter. Get nice and warm for you, and you don't have to go outside. It does also have the proximity button, so you can lock and unlock it just through there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the inside here, you do have the controls over your windows and your mirrors here, all right there, as well as you got a bit of brown accenting here in the leather. It looks very nice and it's very comfortable to put your arm on. You got silver handle here, and then you got some storage just down here as well. You do have electric seats here, so backward and forward, as well as the the lumbar support and the tilt here. And it is a leather interior, very comfortable, and it feels awesome. Now, right over here, we do have all sorts of different controls. So we do have our tire pressure here. We do have our traction control and our blind spot detection. You can also open this guy up, and there's a little bit of storage just in there. And then this guy here is our turning signals and the controls over our high beams and lights. So it is keyless start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and the keys are just in the cup holder. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now right over here it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is only 52,000, not very many at all. Now you do have some different options here as well. You can change it up, so you got your trip A and your trip B, and you can look at those guys there, and then it tells you all sorts of different stuff like the temperature outside and your range and all that. Now on your steering wheel here you do have the skip options. You have your volume up and down, your info, you have your voice recognition and your call out and your hang up button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and then you also have your cruise control options on the other side. And then right here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers, and we do have some little paddle shifters here as well. Now we do have this very nice touchscreen display here, so you can do it this way, entertainment and all that, or there is another dial down here that I'll show you in just a second. You can go through all that and you can look at your different audio sources, so all of these different guys, FM, AM, AHA, all those different things, USB, Bluetooth, everything there, you can all access that. Now it is controlled from this guy right here, so it's just a twist and you can move it around. It's pretty neat. You also have your park brake down here, your back, you have your music, your home, your navigation, and all those guys, as well as your volume up and down. Now over here we also have the controls over our heated seats. We have our dual climate system here. We have the circulation, the AC, front and rear defrost. Then this guy here is also the power, the off, the mode, and where it's going to blow out of as well. You also got your CD player here, and a bit of additional storage down here. Gear shift right here, just like that, and this guy does change it into sport mode as well. And there's our keys, as well as we do have the cup holders right here, and our armrest, which does double as a storage container, so you can access that stuff just down there. There's an SD card slot, some USB, and an aux cord. And then also when you are in reverse, you do have that ever handy backup camera right there. And you do also have a glove box right over here with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up top we have the controls over our sunroof. We have our sunglass holder and the controls over if the lights go on when you open up the door. And that is our sunroof. It is very large, lets in lots of light. Yeah, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you got that same leather accenting for the armrest. You have your controls over your windows and that same handle there. You also got a bit of additional storage right down here for a water bottle or something. And you got lots of room back here. It is leather as well, very comfortable. And this guy right here does pull down. And you do have some seat warmers as well as your cup holders. And you can also fold this guy forward, and you do have some additional space if you did need to haul something a bit longer. And there's our 2.5 liter engine. Looks awesome. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Mazda 6 GS. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.